guys, welcome to Gold Coast. Why am I in the Gold Coast? Well, I'm off to Singapore. Why am I in Singapore? Because I'm going to Kuala Lumpur. And why am I in Kuala Lumpur? Because I'm flying to Kathmandu. Why am I in Kathmandu? Because I'm going on a trek in Nepal. I'm going to go to Annapurna. But first, a comprehensive review of Scoot.
There's someone on the way. Something. I'm sorry, what were you saying?
So just got into Changi Airport, Singapore Airport, and come upstairs to explore a sunflower garden here in the terminal. Singapore seems like a pretty unique airport. I'm going to enjoy exploring this for the next 6 hours. I also have lounge access because I've got a business flight with Malaysian Airlines up to Kuala Lumpur. But the last 4.5 hours in the lounge. Getting a bit bored now, so I'm going to head down to the gate. Probably about another 15-20 minutes till it starts boarding. And business class to Kuala Lumpur. Good morning, you guys. Oh my gosh, what a night. So many delays. Look. Alright, so here's my review of Malaysian Airlines business class. But I was so tired, so I didn't really appreciate it. I literally got on the aircraft and I fell asleep. Then I woke up and we were in Kuala Lumpur. Got here super tired, hadn't actually properly slept in about 27 hours since I've left the Gold Coast. So, found a hotel, the Sama, I think that's how you say it, or Soma Express here. So, got the hotel, my flight boards in about 20 minutes. Quickly get dressed, head on down there, and let's begin today with just the one flight from Kuala Lumpur through to Kathmandu. Check out this hotel view. One of my favourite hotel views. I like aircraft. Very nice.
Wow, it's very nice.
Okay, let's go. We're going to Kathmandu today. So I'm very excited. Get to go back to Nepal. I love that country. And let's go. With last night's delay, they came up with the best excuses.
We've run out of appetite, so it's not safe to travel. The pilot parked the plane and he can't remember where he left it. One of the stewards has got eczema, so it would be a bit risky, isn't it? It's getting quite dark and the pilot is worried about flying the plane at night in case he can't see anything.
Oh, really?
Yeah, really. How would you like to fly a plane at night?
So the driver just got out. Something's wrong with the car. Just got in Kathmandu. A 2 aircraft brake and a car brake. And my stomach brake.
It's coming out of me like lava!
Alright guys, that day is done. I'm going to head now, get some momos or maybe to the OR2K restaurants. Come back, have a shower, go to bed and sleep for about 12 hours. So it's been a journey.